अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप लोग। आज की इस इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो में हम एक इंग्लिश लेसन पढ़ने वाले हैं। लेसन का नाम है मॉडल टेस्ट पेपर। एज अ यंग मैन गैलिलियो थॉट ऑफ बिकमिंग अ barrister and a mathematician, but his father wanted him to become a doctor because a doctor earned a higher income than a mathematician. So he enrolled at the University of Pisa for a medical degree. However, after attending a lecture of geometry, asked him result whether into letting him study mathematics and natural philosophy. Interest of medicines. His interest in experimenting in the different things started early in 1581 when he was studying medicine. He noticed that a swing general took the same amount of time to swing back and forth, no matter how far it was swing. When he returned home, he set up two pendulums of equal length. The swing kept time together. However, it was almost 100 years later the swing pedals was used to create and the accurate temperature because he needed to earn money. Galileo Bax experiments with different things tried to come up the more point of invention the could for sale money. He had a little but of the within the invention the was like a compass and could be used to measure plots of lead by the time he had already and could be used to measure plots. Back this he also created a thermoscope and earlier for from of the thermostat and he published the small book on the decision of the hydrogen balance that he had invited. However, the invited for a Galileo in the known is that telescope, the very wonderful device that allows you to see from distance. When he had a desperate Galilean to work on of his own 24 hours and had invented a telephone that could magnify things to make them appear 10 times larger than real life. His multiple interests called astronomy the study of the universe and its contact. It was because of the interest that on light Galileo pointed his telescope towards the sky, made his first many space observations. He then noticed that the moon was not something like everyone thought. It was covered in bumps and cracks. As technology has improved, many others have made importance on the telescope that Galileo first invited. Galileo led on 8 January, aged 70 after swinging from the paper heart applications. And the complete sentence by the choose in the representation accept and the understanding mathematics and the representation the with everyday expert the playing lute a magic interest. तो यार आज की यही थी वीडियो पसंद आएगी सूरत में वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।